Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a green card application support letter. What is a green card application support letter? A green card application support letter, often referred to as an affidavit of support, is a document provided by a U.S. citizen or permanent resident to attest to their financial ability to sponsor an immigrant who is seeking a green card or U.S. permanent residency. This letter is submitted as part of the immigration application and serves as proof that the sponsoring individual has the means to financially support the immigrant and prevent them from becoming a public charge in the United States. The support letter typically outlines the sponsor's financial details, employment status, and willingness to financially support the immigrant during their adjustment of status process. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a green card application support letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your information as a sender of this letter. You can start with your full name. And then, write your home address, located in the United States. After that, write the date of the letter. And then, write the information about the recipient. In this example, the letter is addressed to the USCIS Chicago lockbox. And write the address of the office. Sure, you can use P.O. Box address. And write the city, state, and zip code. After that, write the reference of the letter. In this case as, Affidavit of Support for Jane Doe Form I-485. Application to register permanent residence or adjust status. And write the A number of the applicant. For example as a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Write also the priority date. Mention the month, date, and year. In this case is November 1, 2023. After completing all this information, now you can open the letter with a salutation. Since you don't know the name of the recipient, you can simply write, "Dear Sir or Madam," or, "To whom it may concern." In the first paragraph, it is about introduction and purpose. You can begin with a brief introduction and state the purpose of the letter. This typically includes stating that you are writing to support the green card application of the beneficiary, and that you are willing to serve as a financial sponsor. And in doing so, you must write your citizenship and a number. Mention your own immigration status, such as being a U.S. citizen or permanent resident. Include your alien registration number or a number if applicable. And this is the example. I am writing this letter to provide my full support and sponsorship for the green card application of Jane Doe, who is my spouse. I am a U.S. citizen and hold a number, a 987654321. In the second paragraph, this is where you write confirmation of responsibility. Express your commitment, an understanding of the financial responsibilities associated with being a sponsor for the immigrant's green card application. This shows that you are fully aware of the obligations. If you don't know what to write, you can simply copy this. I am fully aware of the responsibilities associated with serving as a financial sponsor for an immigrant, and am committed to providing all necessary financial support to ensure the well-being and financial stability of Jane Doe during the green card application process and beyond. Don't forget to write your relationship with the immigrant. Clearly state your relationship with the immigrant. In this case, mentioning that Jane Doe is your spouse. And include the beneficiary's identifying information, such as their A number and the priority date. Write also the address of the immigrant. Provide the current address of the immigrant who is seeking a green card. Ensure that this address is accurate and up to date. And most importantly, character reference. Offer a brief character reference for the immigrant, highlighting their positive qualities, moral character, and contributions to the community. This reinforces their suitability for permanent residency. Here is the example. Jane Doe currently resides at 456 Maple Avenue, Anytown, CA 123-45. And I can attest to her good moral character, strong work ethic, and commitment to contributing positively to our community and society at large. In the fourth paragraph, this is where you talk about your income and financial capability. Yes, you need to assert your ability to meet the income requirements set by USCIS for sponsorship. Attach supporting documents, such as recent tax returns, pay stubs, and employment verification letters. You can write something like, "As a sponsor, I meet the income requirements specified by the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, to support the immigration application of Jane Doe. My most recent tax return, pay stubs, and employment verification letter are enclosed to demonstrate my financial capability." In the fifth paragraph, write about acceptance of responsibility. It means, you should reiterate your acknowledgement of the legal obligation to financially support the immigrant for 10 years to prevent them from becoming a public charge. You may simply write something like, "I understand that, as a sponsor, I am legally responsible for Jane Doe's financial well-being for a period of 10 years. And write also, "I accept this responsibility willingly, and am fully prepared to provide financial support to prevent Jane Doe from becoming a public charge." In the sixth paragraph, write your contact information. Yes, you need to provide your contact information. They are including your email address and phone number. Here is the example. If you require any additional information, documentation, or have any questions regarding my sponsorship, or Jane Doe's green card application, please do not hesitate to contact me at johnsmith@email.com, or 555-123-456. This makes it easy for the USCIS to reach you, if they have any questions or need further information. Therefore, you must not skip this part. In the seventh paragraph, request for positive consideration. Here, you can express your desire for the USCIS to grant lawful permanent residence to the beneficiary. And it is highly recommended. You can write, "I respectfully request that the USCIS grant Jane Doe the opportunity to obtain lawful permanent residence in the United States." And convince the recipient how the applicant will be a valuable addition or even asset to the community. Here is the example. Jane Doe is a valuable addition to our community, and deserves the opportunity to continue building a successful life here. In the last paragraph, show your gratitude. Yes, in this closing statement, you need to express gratitude for their attention to the matter. You can write, "Thank you for your attention to this matter. And I look forward to a positive resolution of Jane Doe's green card application." And finally, you can close the letter with "Sincerely." Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a green card application support letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.